for me ma obi bia akwaba ediba attention TV so ya maame Empress Gifty adoye chese edi na asem bi ekogu so ewo Accra FM an emra okọ interview kakra bi na yen se na nsen ya etwemu no anase America ka ye etwemu no an ni kunu a oye hopes na adoye kra no ye chene ema ehon sen eba abonte na emra na interview ni ekoso no ana ye bisa Empress Gifty ne ho nsem ne life story ana o chiremu se ekanya menkwa anka o film wani nini nane se play akwenhye bia anka eya aton na enoda nchen kra no unim se Gifty eni efrada ana dabi aka nsem wani na ewo Accra FM a o chirehye ne life story mu na enoda nchen no na nsei no yenim se Gifty ni YouTube for de se aseba final form we be kona ota ho dendende eno obi nkrofo ebisa mu se ana esi Gifty no opese oji show business eboso ana esa asa na nse onu na o host show no kakra eno nso o kire na adwen kakra ewo ho abusuafo mo mayente Gifty interview no.
I'm just sitting in for her meeting. Yeah,
auntie said the enam krum say Empress abetu Miss G no
depe entisa depe say am ye juma despite media.
Okay.
And yet, like a contract basis, like it's a full work.
Why I say resource personnel when they need you, then
they need me.
Do for them.
Into almost share no, and I almost make snacks. Kasa, once I mean me obia. Ube 2 days na me call 3 days nanti. So Empress. Episode we hear a day way and you know they are good people. So it's a challenge, but we are doing it.
Now out of Nipa Bebeno, why did they choose Empress? Did you ask them say Diana amamo person me na metinem ko sise me nua ba na ba? Have you asked yourself and asked them?
Enfia ba na yedi. Brandon is solid.
Heavy.
Yeah, ton ayeto.
And why say kresi ni kadika? Utimi bibia bi.
I think say one way no mo say no. And also I think say that particular show is built on Oba.
Oh yeah.
And we say e me ma be so be hwa ade a na wodi omu di hu.
Oh yeah.
And omo share. So I think omo no ejumani omo there, so whatever they say me dey aja minim say ma let ni so mi fun.
Sanity. But akonwa na modu won. E bi say modu pa otenemu a.
Akonwa ni yakonwa bi a wonye obi a oye very smart to meet them.
Okay.
When you be using this one to meet them. It's not just a chair.
Okay.
Yes. A whole institution. I like
that.
You standing for everybody.
I like that. It is not just a chair.
No.
But a
institution. A institution. And it was a money enimtia. You do say yes or show.
I'm telling you.
You don't know what will happen.
It's true.
Yes, because it's not scripted, it's not planned. No. So a life way no so be to me see.
Sanity.
It is say when you be so smart.
Hi. Tell
them say institution.
But I thought I will avoid the topic oh
yes. I'm being honest. I told you me won't say and I make us say uni ejuma 4 year ejuma na opinion is also added to whatever they do is also important.
Yeah.
So you know better discuss this is the topic here but so okay it's fine.
Okay.
But I think say we can say I don't change it. But if you say be a caption there bit me I say and but what you say as any
wow. What is the hardest thing you've ever been through in your life? Adia the hardest our firm or brabum from Nkolabrim BC and now our team enemy. The hardest thing our firm. Na anodin, but it took God to have mercy on you. And I say it took God to take you out of that.
It took God as time I think minya accident with US na like I couldn't walk so I have to sit in a wheelchair. And ye buy na my sister, my little sister, castle, when papa be water crady. Yes, we or church and night until like Yembra. Tia ready see a be come so on for flights. Uncle, no, or no, be found no quanica. Miss me to meet na came. And so then me I was semi call with the crutches and Enti yet na flight no yendi be 10 minutes and our mo announce say yenya challenges enti no say lande water crade be nya accident so like ebe crash it so we have to return back to Accra and no as a result of your forced landing emergency landing me call blind like me say fry count
hey
yeah
wow partial blindness
yes
where the country will be other and it take you how long
best a month or so yeah
now when you na there
never me mushri so you be driving me mama so yeah that was what I was going
serious
to. Yes
now me
mushri
and I know when you saw black
and yeah me so like everything went off it's there me tia say me I suffer bompai mama like they are around me every day yes
wow
yes
and a hard part because I say
so I told God so the mommy back so the me nine mommy back not the many mommy back I will give you your worship. He said that me Kwame yeah final job na or Sunday mommy that day na me boss ni gina on na ye she you cook ni ama na onim say na ya chimi kunkura na me nim say ya chimi kunu
wow
enti me catch father so Kwame asene me enwum no na metie me kofi a metie me yes me kofa me fo na me hu say lawyers and kofa frame bebre na so ma me fa me fa ya chiwukun I'm say me friend them na say do say ma na me pese me frɛ because what catch him say who adwuma and me say there ma me ko take Kwame Eugene me tie nwum na me nsu na me nyame tentam catch them say so ye nyame dia
that's it
unchimi kunu free sending guase no shene nimunya you see some blessings are in disguise about with nimguase na be peja we free baby na nyame mami hu ade kye nyame mami hu so wo ye nyame
ene gift e kan no o se oginemu ai show ni de onje mo se na so oginemu kakra e de ama vim lady midi edi Fatima aha attention TV makra